Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to export to MP3 file on the Speechify. Now if you want to export your files or the audio to the MP3 but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing which you need to do is that make sure that you have installed the Speechify app. So if you have not installed the Speechify app, you may simply install it from App Store or Play Store on a device. After that, simply open the Speechify app, and from here you just need to click on the option of plus icon, and from here you may simply add a new document or paste the text which you want to convert to MP3 files. If you have already converted it, click on the option of library, and so from here select the file which you want to export to MP3. So you may simply select the languages or simply select the voice from here, and after selecting the voice, click on the option of play to play the voice. After the audio is generated, click on the option of three dots at the very top right, and here you will see the option of download audio. So click on it, and to download the audio files it may require a premium subscription, so make sure that you have purchased the premium subscription. And after doing all of it, it will show you the option of download to save the MP3 files to your device. So after doing all of it, you will be able to save the MP3 files to your device. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.